Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Faster Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to prepare for Infosys interview. Okay, so how to prepare for Infosys interview, what are the preparation strategies. Here you can see I will also provide you resources. From that I will provide you a link for a website where you can go and find out questions and their answer. Okay, so you can prepare very well. Also I will tell you some short question that will be asked in the interview. Okay, so this video is for SE role only. If you are from operation executive role, I will make different video for it. Okay, another video will be posted in 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so this video is only for SE role candidates. I will also tell what are the technical questions and HR question asked in the interview. I will also tell what are the answer of the particular question, what answer you have to give to interviewer so that you will be selected. Okay, so I will talk about everything in detail, so please watch this video till the end. This video will be so much helpful for you, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get started to the video. Here you can see on the screen. Okay, first round will be the assessment round that you have already cleared, and the second round is interview round, which include TR and HR round. In TR round they will ask a technical question. In HR round they will ask personal question. Both the interview will be combined interview. That interview minutes ranges from 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so interview will not be long, it will be a short interview in which they will ask both the question, TR question also and HR question also. Now let's get to important points for Infosys interview. Okay, so what type of question they ask for the interview. Here you can see on the screen, final year projects. So this is the very important topic you need to prepare about. Okay, so as you all know, you have prepared a project in final year, so this is very important to know everything about your project. They will definitely ask for your project, what you have done in your projects. Okay, what are the technologies you have used in the project, and they will ask questions about that technology. Okay, also. Okay, so if you have prepared a project on basis of artificial intelligence, they will ask about artificial intelligence, what is your role in that particular project. Okay, they will ask everything about in the project. So please be prepared about your project. The resume that you have uploaded and the project you have written in the resume, definitely they are going to ask about final year project. Okay, so please be prepared about the projects. Okay, and be confident while interview, so you don't miss. If you don't want rejection, please be confident, you will definitely get selected if you be confident and answer the questions properly and clearly. Okay, now the next point is DBMS. DBMS is very important topic, database management system. They will definitely going to ask about this topic. Okay, first is final year project, second is DBMS. Okay, so questions are included from this projects also. Okay, so here you can see there is a one website where answers are also given, so I will talk about that also in the further video. So please watch the video till the end, so you get all the information and you clear the interview round. Okay, now the third point is software development life cycle. Okay, so they will ask about SD or SDLC also. Okay, if you are from CSE student, they will definitely going to ask about this. Okay, and here you can see C and C++ question. Okay, if you have mentioned Java in your resume, they will ask about Java. Okay, if you mention C++, they will ask about C++. And the last is certification. So if you have done any certification, they will ask about certification also. Okay, if you have mentioned any certification in your resume, they will ask about that, what you have learned. Okay, everything they will ask. So this is the 5 point, this is the 5 main point. If you prepare about this, you will definitely clear interview. This is my 100% guarantee. If you prepare these questions, you will definitely clear the interview. Okay, now the next thing is Infosys technical interview question. So these are the questions that are asked by the interviewer in technical interview. Okay, so first topic is explain OOPS concept with example. So this is very important to prepare OOPS concept. Okay, and also you have to give the examples. Second is what is the normalization of database, joins and key. Explain the functionality of linked list. What is inheritance? What are the type of inheritance? What are the loop statement? Okay, and the next is, here you can see on the screen, what are the 4 basic principle of OOPS? What are the conditional statement? What is DBMS? List different advantages of DBMS. Okay, so this will be asked in the technical interview. Okay, so there is a website, I will link this website in the description, so you can click on that link and you will be on this page. Okay, so here you can see Infosys technical interview question. So here there are some questions listed and the answers are also given for the particular question. So first of all, here you can see what is polymorphism. So here is the answer given for the polymorphism. Okay, normalization of database and join. There are many questions provided here. Okay, what are the different type of inheritance, and answers are also given. Okay, so please be prepared for the interview. I want all of you to get selected to clear the interview round. So please prepare for the interview. I have provided you question, I have provided you the resources, okay, the answer of the particular question. So if you prepare this much, you will definitely clear the interview. Okay, so I will link this website in description below. Okay, now here you can see we talk about technical round. Okay, now we will talk about HR round questions. Okay, so here you can see on the screen HR round question asked are, first of all, introduction. Tell me about yourself. It is the mandatory question and definitely this will be asked by interviewer to you. Okay, so please be prepared. Please write a paragraph. Okay, so what you are going to tell in your introduction. So please be prepared about it. And the second question is, what are your greatest strengths? They might ask you about your strength. What are your weakness? Here you can see, do you have any blind spot? So blind spot meaning what is your weakness? Okay, now the next point is, why should I hire you? Okay, why should Infosys hire you? Okay, and they will ask you about Infosys company also. What do you know about Infosys? How you will be benefiting Infosys company? Okay, they will ask about this. And if you are already experienced candidate, they will ask you, why did you leave your last job? Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Are you a team player or not? Or if you have a question for interviewer, they will ask it definitely. Okay, at last of their interview, as he finished asking you question, he will ask you, do you have any questions for me? So if you have any question for the interviewer, feel free to ask them. Okay, they will definitely answer it. Okay, so these are the interview questions for HR round and technical round also. So please be prepared for it. Okay, so here you can see in this website you will get HR questions also. Okay, if you scroll down, you will get to see HR question and their answer also. Okay, yes, here is the Infosys HR interview question. Okay, what do you know about your company? Introduce yourself. Okay, where would you like to work? Okay, so there are many questions provided and the answers are also provided. What is the answer you should give to impress the interviewer? Okay, so everything is provided in this particular website. I will link this website, and please, I am providing everything to you. So please give a thumbs up to this video and please let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, all the HR questions and technical questions are mentioned in this and answers are also provided for the same. Okay, so if you prepare this much, okay, if you prepare this much technical interview question and this much HR interview question, there are high percentage that you will crack this interview. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you understand what I have told you, how to prepare and what to prepare. If you prepare this, you will definitely clear the interview. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give like to this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.